aircraft, that's how they all their drum runs and they're ready to get out. And there they go. Before we got there, we've got three freefallers out now, and then we've got 2 high canopies just getting out of the aircraft now. Okay, so all we've got then the freefallers, we've got, like I say, Corporal Frank Merrick, his leader, he's going to come in for that first, and then we've got the new vendors. Okay, 2 high canopies, we've talked about a little bit later on. So what they're going to do is they're trying to get on with the 1 canopy and only use 1. Okay, so what we've got now then, coming down on the food zone, I would say probably Corporal Merrick. Okay, just get down quite quick on the canopy. He's the one that will get down so quick. The other side, not going to take too much on. This side you can see, like I say, for her first demo this month. So when we come in, we'll give them a big round of applause for that. And what we're doing then is what they've done now is they've got out the freefall, on the canopy, and they're just getting up in their landing order. So what they're going to do now then is stack up. We've got 4 minutes and 5 of the old land. We've got demos from here to here, out of the army. All they're doing is 25 so you get up. So the first one down there, what we've got there is called the inheritance. These are the 3 canopies, probably around the Union and the Union flag. So they're going to land in the water. Make sure they got their wet clothes on. So then they come in nice and land, turning around into their wings for landing. So they are there, let's pull there and down, and then 5 of the old land. Okay, the higher canopy then you saw here comes out is Corporal Ed. Just give him a big round of applause, I say, it's his first ever demo. So he's now got 2 years on the team. So good round of applause for coming in now. And then, once he landed, if we look up and concentrate on the boom stack that's up above, then all we've got now is our regimental flag. We've got our regimental flag, and I know Corporal Smith wants to land this in the water. So, Private Greenup, we've seen on Paul Stern, this is the first time he's going to be landed by someone else. So he's got the easiest job, he's just got to sit there, and the pilot this day is the guy that's got to work out where he's going to land and all this sort of stuff. Okay, like I was saying, yes, the canopy is pretty much straightforward. We won't like an aircraft wing, so there's nice and dynamic. These are quite big canopies, they can get a lot smaller, and also the canopies can get a lot bigger if we're doing like standard skydive, stuff like that. Anybody interested in what standard skydive looks like that, if you look onto the Tigers website, you'll be able to see log on there, looking to the Tigers Experience and the Tigers standard skydive. So we go then, so right so on the bottom there, then it's private for straight. This is like the first day, the first one we've ever been landed on demo. Like I say, all you've got to do is set the one and just look good and hold the flag. And then on the top there, nice and slowly, get it into the wind, and then that really canopy ready to land. So we give Tall Christopher a good, judge it nicely. Get that around, we're going to hold that just before about 400 feet off the ground, you can see that. Give a big round of applause for that.
Oh, wow.
Well done. And it's like moving right over the other goes around later on. Okay, we call this the lifesaver.
Jumping.
Unfortunately, that is an incredibly rare event to have to use that, but it does happen. If it does, please do not worry. So today, we're actually jumping with smoke canisters attached to our legs, as well as 200 square foot weighted flags. The arena and form a landing pattern. Now while they're doing this, the crew group, as well as building their formation, is also watching them to see their approach, see where they land, if they overshoot, undershoot, and where they need to set up. So ladies and gentlemen, remember it is Leo Nance's 23rd birthday, so if you could scream happy birthday at the top of your voice as he comes into land, we can all embarrass him a little bit, and we will not let him live it down. Of course, the capital point of that, he's going to use all of that to adjust his own landing pattern. Happy birthday, Leon. Here it comes, so he's fine across. Coming in, he's watching off a little bit of height. There we go. Few sharp turns, there goes the height, and he swoops in. There we go, a nice smooth glide. Now ladies and gentlemen, if you look back towards the sky, you'll see the crew group. They get together, built into a driver side, and now they're downplaning at about 75 miles an hour straight towards the ground.
Red smoke on the beach.
At the last possible moment, they're going to level out. They might go to another downplane. Right now they're assessing their spot, making sure they're in the right place to come into the arena safely. Now this is being piloted by the centre canopy, which is called Frank Henrik, our team leader. In that formation, it's down to him to make sure everyone's in the right place, and he gives the order to go left or right, which is done on either side. And there's the split, and now every man can make his own landing pattern, staying out of each other's way in something we call a stack order. As you can see with the spiralling, we do this to wash off a bit of height, put us at the right altitude to start our setups. And you'll notice with these guys, they will come in fairly fast. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give Corporal Miller a round of applause as he comes in, making his final turn, diving it in, looking for the cross. There we go, he touches it. And a beautiful landing there from team leader Corporal Miller. Here comes final jumper, colour sergeant Gearing, coming in fast, hard and aggressive. Goes for the cross, just misses it, and a beautiful flare. And the ladies and gentlemen, it looks like you have to get a landing gear out. So what's out now is something